All right, so today we took a W, but could it have been better for sure? Let me tell you what I was looking at, right? So I saw we had an internal draw on liquidity right here. I saw price came, we took it out, and I saw these wicks. I saw we were getting good reactions to the upside after taking out the liquidity. I thought we might want to fill the imbalance or something like that. So I scaled down to the 1 minute, just looking for some type of longs. After this morning, we just had a huge sell off, right? Took out the list liquidity, started chopping. Um, we had a 1 minute bearish fair value gap right here, and we inversed it on this green candle. I waited for the pullback and I entered as a pullback, either right there or right here. I think it was right there though. I think I bottom ticked it, and boom, made a little leg up. And yeah, I had my first take profit at these 3 minute highs, and then my last take profit right before this fair value gap right here. We have an imbalance right here. Remember, imbalances always want to be filled. So I figured it might want to get filled before it goes to the downside, right? And that's exactly what happened. So had my first take profit right before the imbalance. Price came up, hit my two take profits, and then last contract I got stopped at break even. What could I have done better? Um, I should have realized that on the 5 minute, right, as well as the 1 hour, right? So this was the draw on liquidity right here, right? We closed below it, breaking structure underneath, and then we had an even higher time frame fair value gap right here that we filled this. So that was really the imbalance that I should have been looking at, because we could see price broke structure beneath the 5 minute, and this was also an hourly breaker structure as well. So on the hourly candle right here, we closed underneath that low. So I should have been realizing that, okay, we might want to head to the downside today. I did make money, right? So I can't be too upset. However, not every winning trade is a good trade, and I think that's always good to establish. So even though I did make a little bit of money, it was not the best trade because I should have seen the higher time frame picture that we wanted to go to the downside. But it was a nice little scalp. I mean, still knew where price wanted to go, but this would have been a much better trade. Could have made a lot, but whatever. You learn every day. This was a learning lesson. And yeah, I mean that's really it. So definitely not a bad retracement scout, but I could have definitely done better. I have a lot of studying and back testing to do. I really want to figure out what I did. Right now, we're sweeping out this 4 hour significant low after also retapping into this imbalance, and now we're getting legs up. So if we break structure on the 5 minute, which we just did, and we're getting a little retracement right now, honestly, this doesn't even look terrible for longs right here, if I'm being completely honest with you. Boom, enter here. What am I doing, man? I'm done trading, man. I'm just chatting. But look, you know what I'm saying? This is the same strategy. We have a 4 hour liquidity sweep. We have a 5 minute break of structure above these highs. We have a 1 minute retrace into a fair value gap or an imbalance. Preferably, we take out this 1 minute low, right? If not, we could go from here, right? We had a retracement into a 3 minute fair value gap, right? It's clockwork, guys. This stuff happens on every time frame, and I would enter. And look, I'll be up now. Look at price. Price is now moving upwards. See? And that's how you enter, right? That's how you trade. Just follow your confluences. You start on a high time frame and you scale down. You slowly, it's like finding a needle in a haystack, right? You're finding something so precise and pinpoint in a whole sea of mess, right? The 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 15, the hourly, the 4 hour raise. You scale down and you're slowly trying to find the best entry, right? But whatever, that would be my trade. I'm not taking it. I'm just chatting right now. But I will actually leave this up just to see, just to forward test a little bit. I'll probably target. See, I'll probably target right. This is a high right here. All these imbalances, maybe this low. Boom. To that order block right there. This is an order block, right? The move up before the move down. That order block. That would be something like my trade. But we'll see how that plays out. That was my trade recap for today. Um, like I said, could have been better, but thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll see y'all.